Hi gamers, in this video let's find step by step to successfully put Vodka in the stash near the poisonous hole during the Budmo side quest in Stalker 2. Follow these steps. Steps to place Vodka in the poisonous hole stash. Step 1. Locate the stash. The stash is situated in a cave at the poisonous hole area, which is marked on your map. To reach it, navigate through the toxic waste and look for a cave entrance at the far end of the area. Step 2. Prepare for mutants. Be aware that 2 mutants may block your path inside the cave. Ensure you are equipped with strong weapons to deal with them effectively before proceeding. Step 3. Interact with the stash. Once you clear the mutants, approach the stash bag located at the end of the cave. Interact with it to open your inventory. Step 4. Deposit Vodka. Hover over the Vodka item in your inventory and right-click it. This will bring up a menu where you can select the put-down option. A prompt will appear asking how many Vodka items you want to transfer or depositing. Just 1 bottle is sufficient to complete this part of the quest. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the Vodka directly from your inventory into the stash, which will also trigger the transfer prompt to avoid stealing. It's crucial not to loot any items from punishment stashes, as taking even 1 item will alter the outcome of your quest and may lead to a hostile encounter with punas later on. Inside this stash, you can find useful items such as Bucket S2 SMG, 20 rounds of pistol ammo, a grenade, an optician gas mask. These instructions will successfully complete this part of the Budmo quest while avoiding negative consequences associated with stealing from Panas' stashes. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.